Hi, welcome to this Common Ground for Action forum. This is a sophisticated but simple online forum platform, so here's a roadmap and a basic guide to how the whole thing works. Right now, you're in the lobby, waiting for the forum to begin. At the right, you can see the name of other participants and your moderator. You can ask the moderator questions at any time by typing into the box here. You can also say hello to the other participants. In the lobby, you can also download the full issue guide and check out the Introduction to the Issue video or infographic. When everyone is ready, your moderator will start the forum. Here's the flow of the entire forum. Each person chooses their initial top 5 actions out of all the actions we'll be considering. Then the group examines 3 or 4 options for dealing with the problem. Then we see where we have common ground for action. The first thing you do is rank your top 5 preferred actions from a randomized list of all the actions we'll eventually be considering. Put your most preferred action at the top. This is just for a baseline. No one else sees this, and we won't do anything with it right away, but we'll come back to it later. When you're done ranking your top 5 actions, click the Done Ranking button at the top right, and you'll be taken to the forum home. While you're waiting for everyone else to finish, you can enter your personal story and read those of others. When everybody's finished with the baseline, the main part of the forum begins. The moderator moves everyone into the Option 1 evaluation section. In Option 1, you're looking at one particular strategy for addressing the problem. The actions in the main part of the screen are basically tactics that are part of accomplishing that strategy. What you'll do is evaluate these actions and their trade-offs. To evaluate the actions in Option 1, you can click on each action to enlarge it, then choose the button for Support, Conflicted, or Don't Support. Or you can drag each action into the Support, Conflicted, or Don't Support areas at the right. When you're finished evaluating the actions in Option 1, click the Done Evaluating Actions button. Now you have to think about the inherent drawbacks for each action. You'll see the action on the left and its drawback on the right. You can choose Can Accept, Conflicted, or Can't Accept. Even if you didn't support an action, you still need to think about the trade-off. Maybe the trade-off is why you don't support the action. In that case, click Can't Accept. Maybe you don't support the action, but for another reason. In that case, mark either Can Accept or Conflicted about the trade-off listed, and you can talk about your other reasons in the chat in just a minute. When you're finished, click the Done Evaluating Drawbacks button at the top right. From there, you'll go back to the forum home until everyone else is ready to begin the actual deliberation. When everyone is finished, your moderator will reveal an anonymized graphic of the group's initial evaluations and use that to begin the conversation. This is where the real deliberation happens. The point is for participants to weigh each action and trade-off by talking to each other. The moderator will manage time and keep the group talking about the same thing, but this conversation is mostly up to you. You talk to the group by typing in the white box at the left, but you can also whisper to another participant or the moderator in the blue box at the right. And don't forget, if anyone says anything at any point that makes you rethink your judgment on an action or a drawback, you can always just click over the action at the right and change it. This will actually change the graphic that everyone sees, so you can actually see the shape of the conversation as it evolves. When your group is finished talking about Option 1, the moderator will move you into the evaluation part of Option 2. You watch the video, do the same evaluating of the actions and drawbacks, then talk about the option together. You'll do the same for Option 3. And if you have any questions about the actions or trade-offs or anything, you can always click the Help button in each option, the little question mark at the top right. The moderator will move you into the final section of the forum, where you can see where the group has found common ground for action. There's a graphic showing which actions had the strongest support and acceptance of the drawback, as well as how close or far the other actions fell in terms of support. The moderator will lead the group in reflecting on how they feel about the actions in common ground, as well as the other actions. Then, at the very end, you'll get a chance to see the difference deliberation makes. That's it. You're ready to go.